We know what that can bring.
I prefer the heat.
Are you kidding? No way. Sure. August is my least favorite month. It's way too hot.
Okay, well, yeah,
it was very hot, but at least we, and chances for thunderstorms were lower in August. But in May, we could have, we've seen snow flurries, we've seen massive amounts of rain.
That's true. It's a little bit of a toss-up.
Same with Derby. One weekend after the other, we're definitely going to be keeping our eyes on that forecast as we get closer. Yeah, spring weather is a toss-up, especially here in Kentucky, as what we witnessed here this week. We saw tornadoes, and then yesterday we saw some sleet intermixed with some cold weather, some potential flurries early this morning, and that low pressure is finally moving off. However, we have a lot of moisture packing behind it, so we are seeing a big swath of some rain heading our way. It looks really smooth on that radar, and when that happens, that's indicating that it could also be some sleet intermixed with it. So Bedford to Paoli and Jasper, let me know if you see anything other than some showers out there. Your reports really help us out. Through Seymour down to Sellersburg, we're seeing some sprinkles there on the highway, but overall it's just going to be some light scattered rain, not expecting any impacts from it as well. Seeing a nice shower parked over Anchorage to Prospect, pretty light showers in that forecast. Now looking ahead, not tonight, tomorrow night, Friday night through Saturday morning, there is a freeze watch in place. We haven't seen one of these in a long time since the start of winter season, but since we're in the spring season, we've seen some warmer temperatures. This is mainly for vegetation. Just to give you a heads up, we are expected to dip below freezing, seeing widespread frost Friday night through Saturday morning. So tonight we're not going to get there, but definitely Saturday morning is going to be a cold forecast. So timing out the showers over the next few hours, we'll continue to see that rain trail its way in, some scattered light rain, mainly west of Louisville by 8 o'clock. And then past 10 p.m., the rain will clear out. So mostly dry for tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. Temperatures staying in the low 40s here in downtown, but you could get to the mid 30s, near freezing in some spots over in E-Town and in our rural communities. As we head towards Friday afternoon, the temperatures will be staying in the low 50s, so still going to see some windy conditions with the north wind. Lingering sprinkles out there, staying chilly, but that's when it gets better. Saturday morning, we're going to see the clouds clear, which will allow our temperatures to really drop. So widespread frost in that morning Saturday with some below freezing temperatures, and then into the afternoon, beautiful sunshine, not a cloud in sight. Saturday is going to be the best day of the weekend. Temperatures staying around the mid to upper 50s. So a little cool for this time of the year, but I can't really complain, especially after all the weather we've seen this week. As we head towards Sunday, the spring-like weather continues. We're going to start to see some scattered showers and light rain, mainly into the second half of the day. So past 5 p.m. is that timing of seeing that widespread rain in that forecast, and then a little stormy as we head towards next week. Looking at those clouds, pretty gloomy throughout the day. You can see the light shower off in the east that was situated right over Prospect communities, looking east from the downtown Galt House camera. 47 right now here in Louisville, 43 in LaGrange, 46 in Springfield. So temperatures are rather chilly right now, but it does feel a little bit colder than that. Wind chills in the 30s and 40s, so definitely going to need that thick jacket tonight, and especially Friday night where we have that freeze watch in place. 59 and sunny. I think it's the best day over the next 7 days, and it's a Saturday. Can't get better than that. If only that day was on Monday. Eclipse, it's looking partly to mostly cloudy with a 20% chance, but we're still 5 days out. That could change. Cloud coverage forecast, I think, is one of the most difficult things to forecast out there. So we're going to keep our eyes on that forecast very closely as we head towards next week. Off and on, scattered pop-up storms are possible.